In this video, I will show you how to cancel sent friend requests on Facebook. So the steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. To do that, all you have to do now, go and open your Facebook. After you open your Facebook now, tap on this menu at the top right side. Under this menu now, scroll all the way to down and tap on this friends section. Under this friends, as you can see now, all you have to do now, tap on this friends request at the top left side. So in this section, all you have to do now, tap on this three dot at the top right side. Under this three dot, tap on this view sent request. So as you can see now, here is now the option that you can be able now to see sent friends requests on Facebook. As you can see now, here is all the friend requests that I sent on Facebook. Now if you want to cancel it, all you have to do now, tap on this cancel button. As you can see now, by tapping on this cancel button now, I cancel the sent friend request on Facebook. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.